Did you know about the amazing health benefits of mint? This versatile herb is more than just a refreshing flavor in our dishes and drinks. Mint, a beloved culinary ingredient, is renowned worldwide not only for its invigorating aroma and flavor, but also for its diverse potential health benefits. From digestive wellness to respiratory health, mint's magic is truly remarkable. So, are you ready to unearth the health wonders of this versatile herb? Let's dive in and explore the health wonders of this versatile herb. First off, mint is believed to be a boon for our digestive health. This versatile herb, known for its refreshing flavor and aroma, may also offer soothing effects on the stomach. From alleviating symptoms of indigestion to acid reflux, mint makes a significant mark in promoting digestive wellness. Additionally, the active compounds in mint may aid digestion and help reduce bloating, making it a go-to remedy for discomfort. But that's not all. The menthol present in mint serves a dual purpose. Apart from adding to the herb's distinct flavor, it may help clear the respiratory tract. This can promote easier breathing and prove beneficial for individuals with respiratory conditions. Just imagine, the simple act of savoring a mint-infused drink or dish could potentially pave the way to better respiratory health. So, mint not only refreshes your breath, but may also help you breathe more easily. Moving on, did you know that mint contains essential oils with potential antibacterial properties? Yes, indeed. Researchers have studied these oils and found they may help combat certain strains of bacteria. This makes mint not just a refreshing herb, but also a potential ally in maintaining our health. But the wonders of mint don't stop there. Have you ever noticed how the aroma of mint can make you feel more relaxed? That's not just your imagination. The scent of mint is believed to have a calming effect, potentially reducing stress levels. It's like a breath of fresh air for your mind. So, next time you're feeling stressed, try inhaling some mint aroma for a potential calming effect. Apart from these, mint may also have benefits for our skin health. This versatile herb is often used in skincare products due to its potential to soothe and purify the skin. It may offer relief from itching and help reduce the presence of bacteria on the skin, contributing to a clearer and healthier complexion. However, it's crucial to remember that while mint may offer these potential health benefits, it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle based on the potential health benefits of specific foods or herbs. With such a wide range of potential health benefits, it's no wonder that mint is considered a magical herb. Remember, your health is your wealth, so take good care of it.